another episode of Maintenance Monday. Today we are going to bring you a gear oil change. First off though, I'd like to say thanks for checking it out, and if you like this, please like the video and subscribe to the page, because there will be more and much better videos coming, because I managed to stick the camera into the shadows and didn't have one camera rolling, and it was pouring rain, and I kind of just wanted to get out of there, but I had it scheduled, so I had to get it done, because for me, I have to have my boat pulled out of the water, and Westport Marina did that for me, which is fantastic. Once you're up and on either a trailer or on slings or on blocks or whatever it is, go ahead, trim your leg up. Trimming the leg up is going to allow gravity to help pull the gear oil out the bottom of the drain hole at the bottom of the leg once you get the ball rolling. For me, my leg has a oil reservoir at the top. Actually, the oil reservoir is in the bilge, the engine bay at the back of the boat. But there's a vent hole at the top of the leg, which I had to dig around with and get the right size wrenches to get it loosened off. So if you're a little bit more prepared than me, you'll have the right size wrenches handy, or screwdriver, or whatever it takes to get it out of there. So tinker around with that for a little bit. Make sure you got the right tools with you. I had to actually go back to the boat and get a screwdriver to take the drain hole out, or drain plug out, which that was a rookie mistake on my part, but hey, I got it done. So yeah, first things first, once you get all the right tools there, is you're going to loosen off or back out the vent hole screw at the top, or oil reservoir hose like I had to do in my case. You get that out of the way, that's going to allow air to come in, so you don't end up with a suction effect when you drain the gear oil. Make sure your bucket's underneath it at all times, because when I took my reservoir hose out, it drained a little as well. So once you get that tucked away, pull that drain plug out and get ready for the gear oil to come out. It did not come out as fast as I was expecting. I've done it a couple times and it just never does, but that's cool. The drain plug has got a bunch of shavings on it. They're magnetic, so don't be alarmed. Just wipe them off, clean it up, and get ready to put it back in. Now, not only did my camera go into shadows, it stopped recording. So best I can tell you is, once it's all drained out, sort of do it in reverse, kind of. Use a gear lube pump, which goes into your quart bottles. You put it into the drain hole in the bottom, and you start pumping it in. Once it comes out the top, stop, go figure, put your vent hole screw back in, unscrew the hose at the bottom, put your drain plug back in, trim your leg back down, get the boys to put the boat back in the water, and go enjoy your day on the water. Happy boating.